Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to manage app notifications on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and choose Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This section is where you'll find everything related to managing your screen time and device usage. When you spot this option, tap on it to open up a whole range of tools designed to help you understand your phone usage better. Step 3. Next, scroll down to locate the Manage Notifications option. Tap on it. Step 4. Now see the 4 category apps: most recent, most frequent, all apps, or turn off app notifications. Step 5. For the last and most important step, choose the category apps. If you want to turn off app notifications, then turn off the notifications instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.